Hello students, in this particular class we are going to do a calculation on another type of beam structural member. The definition of the problem is as shown in this particular sheet. The important observation that you students have to make in this particular problem definition is the cross-sectional geometry of a beam fixed at both the ends is corresponding to a rectangular cross-section with breadth b of magnitude 0.2 meter and height h of magnitude 0.4 meter. In this particular examination problem, value of I, mass moment of inertia, is not given in the problem definition. Instead, we have to calculate using the formula for a rectangular cross section. Mass moment of inertia I equals BH cube by 12. The procedure for solving this problem is very much similar to the one what we have already seen in the previous class. Another specific observation from the schematic diagram to be known to the students is this particular beam structure is subjected to two types of loads at the central node. The two types of loads that are present in this particular beam structural member are vertical load in the downward direction of magnitude 10 kilonewton, which will be taken as minus 10 into 10 to the power of 3 in the governing equation of FEA. Another load present at the central node is anti-clockwise moment of magnitude 20 kilonewton meter, which will be taken as 20 into 10 to the power of 3 in the governing equation of FEA. Keeping these specific important features in your mind, we will now proceed to get the solution for this particular problem.